Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to edit photos in Google Photos step by step. Google Photos includes several built-in editing tools that let you improve your pictures without installing any extra software. First, open your web browser and go to Photos Google.com. Sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. Now open the photo that you want to edit. At the top of the page, click the edit icon to open the photo editor. You'll see several editing options. To make a quick improvement, you can use the Auto or Enhance option. Google Photos will automatically adjust the image to improve its overall appearance. Next, open the Crop tool. Here you can crop the image, rotate it, or straighten it if needed. After making your changes, click Done. You can also open the Adjust section to manually change settings like brightness, contrast, highlights, shadows, or warmth to get the look you want. If you'd like a different style, you can also apply one of the available filters with a single click. When you're happy with your edits, click Save or Save Copy, depending on the options shown on your screen. Your edited photo will now be saved, and you can open it anytime from your Google Photos library. And that's how you can easily edit photos in Google Photos. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more easy technology tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.